Hello, everybody. This is Channel 4 News. This is the Channel 4 News crew. Except I murdered every other person, and I am the only one here. Anyways, in this area right here, right there, it will be 500 quadrillion degrees. And right in the middle of that area, it will be negative 500 quintillion degrees. So you're dead either way. Right here, and there will be an opening of McDonald's right here, right there. And anyone who lives in this circle gets all their bananas disappear. Totally, they totally don't go into my bank account. Anyways, that is it for the Channel 4 News. And Mr. Jimmy Donaldson, you owe me $500,000 for a channel that challenge that I won. I want that $500,000 now. I know where you live. I'll find you in Arnold.
What's up, guys? Today we're playing Monkey's Place.
My extended battery's at 23 and my headset's at 0.
I
just wanted you to know that, vlog. Whoever sees this video.
But we're playing with my friend Any Being. I'll link his. I'll link his channel in the description. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Pinch, con.
Yeah.
No, I'm up here, David.
No, what?
Look up.
What?
Right and up.
Oh, I see.
All right.
Look, guys.
Get over here!
Oh crap! No, wait! I'm feeling my camera.
You moved into where I landed.
Alright, guys, let's go mining. Let's go mining.
I want to show the viewers this. Okay. Hey, viewers, watch my goofy out walk.
Alright, let's go mine. But yeah, see, guys, look at this awesome pickaxe. It looks so. Guys, look at this banana ore. It looks amazing. Let's mine it. Let's mine it. There.
I've already mined 5, and the next one into the back rooms.
Yeah, that was an awesome banana ore. We're gonna get like 20 more right now, and then we'll go to another map. No, let's get 10 more. Let's get 10 more, and then we'll go to another map. Guys, we're actually gonna get 5 because I can't find any. Okay, guys? So we're gonna get 5.
I have like 12.
So, guys,
what?
I can't find any banana ore, so we're just gonna go to another map. Alright, guys?
I have found 13. This guy's just a bozo.
No, okay, bro. Okay, we're going now.
Get it. Try and go down here. You're a crewmate. How about me?
Oh, God.
I'm gonna kill you.
Wait, did I just
Get over here.
No, I didn't. Guys, let's go to arcade now. Yes, arcade. Alright, so we have Floppy Monkey. We have some stack the blocks, clicker. This is all you do.
Floppy Monkey? Did you say floppy? How many clicks do you have? I have 500.
Sorry.
600.
Guys, we're gonna go bowling. Let's go bowling.
My alley.
Oh, this is yours? Dang. Okay, let's go this way then. 20 bananas? This one's cheaper than yours.
I'm 35. Hey, that's cheating. Why is there a giant pink glowing ball?
Guys, always play like me and don't play like any other person. Play like me in this game and just like don't be that scary man behind me. Don't be him. Alright, we're going to the next map because like
there's a ball. No, there's a ball.
There's not much to do in the arcade, so let's go to the next map. So
yeah,
the hyper map. So like you'll see what it is like after I go in. Alright, so you can already hear the music, like, just, like...
Hey, you! I have a quest for you. If you can do at least get 0 hits on this wall, I will give you 5 bananas. Wow, you did it!
I did extra. But, like, if you guys can see, I'm just...
You don't get a
Ow.
bozo.
So, like, you can see that... I'm fast. So, like, if I just...
I'm gonna go Lucio to the...
See,
Top the
look
map.
at this.
I felt...
So, like, yeah. This is the... Yeah, I kind of showed you. This map, it's amazing. You can just... Whoa. You can fly around everywhere.
I didn't press the trigger!
See, guys?
I'm gonna stab you. Get over here.
I'm legit running.
You run.
I'm running with the camera on. Gotta get the camera. There we go, I got the camera.
Bro, imagine what they see right now. Now get over here.
Monkeys!
Look at all these colors.
Help
Look at all
me!
these colors. Take Hayden.
Oh, I'm sorry for you,
Turn
Bill.
around. Boy.
I'm sorry for you, viewers.
Boy.
Oh,
Boy.
this is.
Hey, you, boy. These colors will be the last thing you'll ever see.
I had to. Also, if
I'm
you're
killing
not
you right now.
subscribed
How are you alive?
if you're not subscribed to me or any being, you're dumb and stop. You're dumb and stupid, and you should not be alive if you haven't subscribed to us.
Yeah, subscribe to me right now, or else you die.
Monkey Lab.
I bet you can't do the world's hardest jump like me.
All right, guys, we're gonna do the world's hardest jump. Let's do it.
Wait, I bet I can do it as a baby.
Okay, guys. Dang it!
Kid, look, I did it.
Dang.
I told you. I'm gonna try and do it as a normal monkey. Ah!
Dang it. Like this wood thing here, like, see you guys? Wood. This is what it does. Huh. So like, if you didn't notice, we're kinda on our side.
I have a piece of cardboard on my head. Never mind.
So watch this. Huh. I can do parkour right here, bro. Like,
Hayden, I'm in the monkey lab. Where are you? Okay, watch this. Just like I said, I can do it as a normal monkey. Watch this.
bro, it's not that hard. Watch this.
You're on the wall. You didn't even do. Wait, watch this, Kane. Watch this. Watch this.
This is so hard.
Look how easy this jump is. Bro, why are you sideways?
There we go, guys. So you're gonna see me upside down like
World's
this.
hardest jump. I bet I can do it. Step back.
Like, see, now I can just like, I can't even reach it. Oh yeah, I can.
Wait, Kane, watch this. Watch this. Watch. I bet I can do it all the way back here. Look, Kane, I'm not even at the edge. I'm all the way back here. What about right here? Pretty much at the wall. I did it. Why is the cube even here?
What?
Why is there a cube here?
Oh, I don't know.
Why are you upside down?
Dang it.
I don't have any names.
This is part 1 of the monkey place. Oh wait, hold up. This was
This guy's
part.
a goofy goober, so I'll kill him for you.
This was part 1. Oh, this is part 1 of 20,000 of these vlogs we're gonna do for this game. See ya.
Also, this guy's goofy, so I'm gonna end the video by cutting his head off.